Nico Halili, and welcome to The Score, where we tackle the hottest and trending topics in sports. Ask a UAP volleyball fan to name an open spiker, and among the names that will usually come up are Eliza Valdez and Ara Galang. And it's no surprise, as both Eliza and Ara are known for their scoring and power. Now, for this UAP season, we'll try to name and answer the question, who's the best open spiker in the league today? And joining us for this discussion, we have champion coach, Coach O, Oliver Almadro, and former UP Lady Maroon and tingin ko future coach. Future coach eh. Nicole Tiamson. Guys, welcome to The Score and thanks for joining this conversation.
Hi, thank you for inviting us again.
Okay, Coach O and future coach Nicole. Siguro unahin natin si Coach O kasi ikaw, you're in the thick of it because you're coaching the Ateneo Lady Eagles. No pressure! First game lang, Ateneo Lasal lang naman. So, ito pamparelax muna sa'yo, yes. Coach O. Who is your top 3 muna? Top 3 open spikers for this upcoming tournament?
Well, sabi ko nga, depends on how the coaches will utilize their players. Kasi sa ngayon, ang dami nagpapalit-palit ng position eh.
But let's start with yung isang listahan mo. Kasama si Tots.
Yes, my first list, if Tots will be used as a open spiker, like I'll choose Tots, CC Rondina, and Tin Tiamzon of the De La Salle.
Okay, so bakit si Tots ang topic? Because this is a fantastic list.
Yes.
Ang lupit nitong listahan of these 3 players. Pero bakit si Tots yung number 1 on this list?
Well, Tots, nandun yung energy, nandun yung power, and of course, yung training niya recently with their new coach, malaking factor na itulong na ibigay sa kanya. And in-accept niya na yung the fact and then yung role na I'm the go-to guy.
Yes.
So, ang laking factor nun, kapag in-accept mo na in a team na I'm the go-to guy, I will be the one to make a point, give it to me. So, malaking factor yon being an outside hitter. Alam naman natin, outside is that's a spiker. Whatever it is, sa'yo ibibigay yan. So, yun ang napili ko kay Tots. However, if she will be utilized on the opposite, I will choose naman Tin Tiamzon of De La Salle to be one of the best outside hitter because yung steadiness niya eh. So, hindi siya magkakaroon ng 5 error plus 1 point, no eh. After an error, she will make it up. And then nandun yung consistency ng energy, consistency ng strength and intensity niya. And isa pang factor na nagbe-beach volleyball siya, so yung receiving factor and then yung defense nandun na rin. And the height, of course, yung malaking factor sa kanya. And of course, yung CC Rondina natin. So, si CC naman, sabi ko nga Rondina papagod eh.
Parang ikaw, coach eh. Hindi na papagod eh.
Yung energy niya, yung versatility niya, yun ang gustong-gusto kay Rondina. Kahit sa Japan, gano'n eh, hindi nagmamatter yung height eh.
Yes.
Ganon kay CC eh. Hindi niya sinabing, maliit ako, ito nang kaya kong gawin, no? Maliit ako, habulin niyo ako, abutin niyo ako. So, yun yung factor na ang magandang kay CC Rondina. Now, if Tots will be used as an opposite hitter, I will include in my list Isa Molde. So, yung kay Isa Molde naman, yung steadiness, yung walang ka-ere-ere. She will just do her job. She will do the right thing always, and after a mistake or she will make it up for it. And then, yun nga, versatility rin na meron si Isa Molde.
Kita mo naman, Nicole, yung scouting report ni Coach O, nakahanda na talaga. Kompletong-kompleto na for the UAAP season. I'd like to get your reaction na yung dun sa isang listahan ni Coach O, si Tots yung number 1 pick niya for open spiker. Tots, experience, power, swag, everything, which really makes UP a contender this year. So bakit si Tots is a great choice?
Kasi si Tots, hindi mo siya makikitaan na nangihina yung loob niya eh. Pagpasok niya sa loob ng court, talagang papaluin niya yung bola. Kung kailangan score talaga siya. Saka yung feeling na parang, kunyari makikita niya na nadadown yung mga kasama niya. No, hindi niya papakita yun sa mga teammates na, pati ako madadown na ako. Talagang bubuhatin niya yung buong team niya. Ganun yung nakikita ko kay Tots. Okay,
now, another player na nabanggit na ni Coach O na sigurado, pipilitin niyang buhatin yung team niya. Kahit ganito lang siya katangkad. Is on top of your list, no? Your top open spiker for this upcoming tournament is CC Rondina. Tapos honorable mention mo is Jerry Malabanan of FEU.
Yes.
And of course, Isa Molde of UP. Now, si CC naman, it's going to be her final year. So this is going to be an emotional year for Cici.
Yes.
The pressure is going to be there. Pero bakit top pick mo si Cici for this position?
Additional na rin yun kasi last playing year na niya. So parang mas, alam mo yun, madadrive pa talaga siyang mag-perform this year. Not only that, kasi Cici Rondina, advantage na rin talaga niya yung naglalaro siya sa buhangin.
Yes.
Kasi yung defense, offense, yung galaw niya, 'di ba? Talagang advantage rin yun when you go sa indoor court eh. And yung talagang nakikita ko sa kanya is yung leadership niya. Energetic, talagang ibibigay, sabi nga ni Coach O, 'di ba? Rondina papagod.
Yes.
Kasi kailangan talaga yung open spiker, yun yung hindi talaga napapagod eh. Mapa-break ball, mapa-chance ball, or kailangan talagang mag-score. Talagang sa kanila binabato eh.
Okay. You also included Isa Molde, no, in your list. And again, so dalawang UP players na yan nabanggit dito sa ating conversation. You have a Tots Carlos, you have an Isa Molde, which really leads to, and I'm sure this is, you know, I know you're trying not to show your colors kahit naka-maroon t-shirt ka today at naka-blue t-shirt si Coach O. Pero with Tots and Isa, no, as really talented hitters, where does that put UP in terms of hierarchy in the team, you know, team rankings?
UP
Yes.
right now, talagang, I think, papasok ng Final Four si UP this year.
Yes.
Kasi ito na talaga yung year na, yun nga, last year, maybe that's the transition year for them. Bago yung coach, parang naninibago pa siguro yung mga players. But this year, talagang nag-rooting for them talaga eh.
Agree ka, Coach O.
Yes. Ako naman, hindi naman sa talaga UP now is one of the contender. Of course, love ko rin naman yung mga players ko, mga outside hitters ko in Ateneo. But of course, showing the experience, ito yung mga experience and ito yung napipili namin ni Nicole na most likely one of the best outside hitters in this coming UAP.
Oh, this is you giving respect to yung mga kalaban, di ba?
Yes. Kasi marami kaming list eh. Every teams meron talaga. And sabi ko nga, this year will be the most evenly matched up year this coming UAP season. Kasi lahat even yung playing field eh, sa position and mga players nila ngayon.
Okay, so on top of the list for Nicole is Cici Rondina. On top of Coach O's list is Tots Carlos. Yung Cici tsaka Tots, are there qualities that they share? Kaya that puts them on, yan, no, parang elite level in terms of this position?
Well, yun nga, sabi nga namin, yung intensity, importante sa amin yun.
Like
As a
they
coach,
both have that intensity.
Yes, intensity, leadership factor, and both of them are accepting the role of I am the go-to guy. Give it to me. Wala na kayong pagbibigyan. Ako will make the point. Importante yun eh. Kumbaga parang sa basketball, give it to me, I'll make the shot. Something like that. If you have a player like that in your team, the coach will just sit down.
Yes.
So, yun meron sila.
You agree with that na itong dalawang players
yung
that
sa
have
akin
that
naman,
quality?
although talagang sila na yung captain eh. Talagang yung word na captain of the team, talagang pinapanindigan nila eh, bawat game eh.
Aside from the fact, yung fundamentals nila nandun na talaga.
Yes.
Talagang high school pa lang sila, yung fundamentals nila, fundamentally gifted sila eh. Pero ito, experience level, iba na talaga.
Okay, ikaw ba, Coach, excited na makatapat balang araw si Nicole as a coach sa kabilang side?
Naku.
O re-recruit mo ba to as part of your coaching staff? Okay, this was a great conversation on the top open spikers of the UAP. So we'd like to thank Nicole Tiamson and Coach O, the very energetic Coach O, for joining us today.
Thank you for inviting us.
When we return, we'll tackle the biggest names left out of this year's NBA All-Star Game, so don't go away.